This is the second time I've gotten this machine, and it's really, really disappointing. Basically, the problem is this extension wand does not lock in. I called up Kenmore and they said it was defective. So I got my money back with Amazon, bought the same thing over, thinking it would be good, because I liked how soft the noise was. And it seemed like it would be a good vacuum, but I can't keep the wand in place while I'm vacuuming. It's ridiculous. Like, I have to be able to move the wand and move the machine forward and backwards. I mean, what the hell is wrong with Kenmore for putting on a machine that's this faulty?
Just to show how the wand goes in, because this seems to be a frequent complaint about the wand and being able to push the vacuum. You have to put it in at an angle first, like so, and then go straight and push until you hear it click, and then you can lift up and it's not going to come out. That's as simple as it gets. Yes, you have to make sure you push it in kind of hard, but it's really not that hard. It's not any harder than my previous vacuum, and my previous vacuum did not suction up very well compared to this. Hope that helps.
So, the seals on this are not great at all. There's dust in them, which means it's not sealing very well. Nor down here. I took back a Sharp Navigator with self-cleaning brush roll for this, and it's not worth it. But that Sharp Navigator didn't have the best section.
So the wand does not stay in here. So I tried vacuuming with it and the wand comes right out. So this is going back.